Hello students, let's read letter A as a beginning sound. Listen carefully and repeat. A as a beginning sound. Arrow, apple, ant, airplane, astronaut. Read X, air, airport, around, arm, animal, after, again. Happy learning!